1 week liquid diet tips for weight loss. If you're overweight and want to lose weight quickly, a 1 week liquid diet can be an effective option. This diet involves replacing all solid food with liquids for 7 days. It can help reduce weight fast, but it must be done carefully to stay healthy and energized. Here are some simple and practical tips to help you succeed on a 1 week liquid diet. 1. Drink high-calorie liquids. Since you won't be eating solid food, your energy levels might drop. Choose liquid calories from healthy sources like smoothies with nuts, oats, or protein powder to stay full and energized. 2. Use weight loss drinks. Consider buying commercial drinks specially made for weight loss. Look for low-sugar, high-protein options to support your goal and keep your energy up throughout the day. 3. Include clear soups. Soups are allowed on a liquid diet as long as they're clear. Vegetable broth or bone broth provides vitamins and minerals, and can help you feel more satisfied during meals like lunch or dinner. 4. Make your own juices. Homemade juices are healthier and more affordable than store-bought ones. Use fruits like apples, berries, and vegetables like spinach or carrots. Avoid adding sugar to keep the calories low. 5. Choose healthy milk options. Milk can help you feel full, but regular milk is high in fat and sugar. Pick low-fat, sugar-free milk or plant-based milk alternatives like almond or soy milk for a healthier option. 6. Drink coconut water. Plain coconut water is a great low-sugar, natural drink. It hydrates your body and provides important minerals without adding unhealthy calories. 7. Avoid sweetened beverages. Stay away from sweetened drinks like soda or sugary fruit juices. They add unnecessary sugar and can slow down your weight loss. Choose plain water, unsweetened tea, or sugar-free juices instead. 8. Take vitamin supplements. Since you won't be eating solid foods, you may miss out on essential vitamins. Take multivitamin supplements during your liquid diet to keep your body healthy and balanced. 9. Add flavor to stay motivated. Drinking plain liquids all week can get boring. Make your liquids more exciting with natural flavors. Try new juice mixes or add herbs and spices to your soups to keep your taste buds happy. A 1 week liquid diet can help you lose weight quickly, but it's important to do it right. Follow these tips to stay healthy, feel full, and reach your weight loss goals. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any extreme diet plan. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.